Now student, in continuation to Raoult's law and ideal solution, we will discuss next topic here, non-ideal solution. If a solution does not obey Raoult's law, a solution which does not obey Raoult's law, that solution may be termed as non-ideal solution. Like we are having example of ethanol in water and acetone in chloroform. We are having acetone in chloroform. So there are two types of non-ideal solution. One which show negative deviation, means they are not obeying Raoult's law, means they are deviating Raoult's law. So a solution which show negative deviation and a solution which show positive deviation. Positive deviation from Raoult's law, negative deviation from Raoult's law. So we will discuss negative solution which is showing negative deviation from Raoult's law. Negative deviation what is the condition and why it is showing? So condition is delta H mixing is less than 0 and V mixing, delta V mixing is also less than 0. The first condition, second condition, and third condition is that PA is less than P node A XA and PB is less than P node B XB. Now why a solution show negative deviation? Why solution show positive deviation? What happen actually? Delta H mixing less than 0. That means enthalpy, final enthalpy H2 minus H1 is less than 0. That means it is negative. It is negative. Under what condition it will be negative? When H1 is greater than H2, means enthalpy before mixing is greater than enthalpy after mixing, means temperature is going down. Temperature is going down. Similarly, V mixing is less than 0 means final volume is less than initial volume, means volume is decreasing, enthalpy also decreasing, and this is not equal. You can say Raoult's law, this PA is not equal to this one, PB also is not equal to this one. Simple you can say this is not equal to this one, this is not equal to this one. So here example we will take negative deviation. Why this is happening? The main question is why this is happening, why volume is decreasing. A student, remember, if we will liquefy a gas, gas will change from gaseous state to liquid state. There what happen? Volume will decrease. So what is the difference in gas and liquid? Gas particles are farther away and liquid particle are closer. Why farther away and closer? Because in liquid intermolecular forces of attraction are stronger than in gases. So same thing will happen here. Intermolecular forces are weaker before mixing and stronger after mixing. So example, acetone. This is the formula of acetone, nail polish remover, and this is the formula of chloroform. What is the formula of chloroform? CHCl3. Chloroform is CHCl3. When you will take acetone in a container, then between acetone weak bond are there. Acetone easily volatile, so bond between acetone are weaker. Bond between chloroform and chloroform are weaker. But when both will mix, then after mixing what happen? There will be intermolecular hydrogen bonding between this oxygen and hydrogen. What is happening? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding between oxygen of acetone and hydrogen of chloroform. So what happens? This is a stronger bond, means molecules of acetone and this chloroform will come closer. That means their volume will decrease. And when bond forms, then what happen? Heat release, and when bond are break down, then heat is required. So heat is out, so amount of heat of solution is less than amount of heat of the solvent or the component, simply you can say. So acetone when mixed with chloroform, then a strong intermolecular hard bonding are forming. A strong hydrogen bonds, and due to this hydrogen bond, molecules will come closer, forces are strong, and volume will decrease, heat also will decrease, and this will show negative deviation from Raoult's law. Now we will discuss solution. In case of positive deviation, students, we can take here example or what is the condition? Condition number 1, heat of mixing is greater than 0. Second condition, volume of mixing is also greater than 0. And third condition, PA is not equal to P naught A XA, and PB also not equal to P naught B XB. Or you can say that PA is greater than this one. PA is greater than this one. And we can prove that why PA is greater than this value. So example, and why this happening? Example, we take alcohol, ethanol plus water. The student, remember, before mixing, bond between ethanol is stronger. Before mixing, bond between ethanol is stronger, hydrogen bond. Before mixing, bond between water is stronger. Ethanol ROH. ORH, like that. So this is the hydrogen bond between ethanol, and this is the hydrogen bond between water and water, like that. Hydrogen bond between water stronger. Hydrogen bond between alcohol stronger. When both are mixed, then bond between alcohol and water is weaker. This strong bond, and when we mix both, this is water, then hydrogen of alcohol, oxygen of water, hydrogen of water, then oxygen of alcohol, like that. So this bond is comparatively weak. So weak bond. So weak bond. When bond is weak, then what happen? Particles will go away. Means there will be gap between the particles in comparison to strong bond. And final volume slightly, marginally will increase. Suppose 5 ml ethanol and 5 ml water is taken in a container. What is the total volume before mixing? 10 ml. Then after mixing, it may be 10.01, 10.02, like that. So its volume will increase slightly. Remember. Similarly, when bond break down, heat required, means bond are becoming weaker. When bond become weaker, then what happen? Heat is required. So here heat is required, so heat is higher. After mixing, enthalpy is higher before mixing. So that's why delta mixing, enthalpy of mixing is greater than 0, means it is positive. Volume mixing, it is positive. And this is also, this value is greater than this one. Means partial vapor pressure is greater than their actual vapor pressure because bonds are weaker. When bonds are weaker, then more particles are in vapor state. Maximum particles will come in vapor state. When there will be more vapor form, then vapor pressure will be higher. So you can say this value is greater. This value is greater. So these are the example of positive deviation and negative deviation. Now we will plot a graph to show positive and negative deviation. Now graphically how we will represent positive negative deviation, student look here, this is the graph we have already discussed for ideal solution. This dotted line are for PA, this dotted line are for PB, and these dotted line are for P total in case of ideal solution. At x is equal to 1, x b 0, x is equal to 0, x b is equal to 1, and this is the partial vapor pressure in pure form. Clear? And for positive deviation, look this red line means if a solution will obey this straight line, then it is ideal solution. But what is happening here, it is this is following this path, this curve path, means it is going above from upper side. This line also going from upper side to the ideal line. This is ideal line for PB, this is ideal line for PA, and this is ideal line for P total. So this line, this graph, red graph is going like that. This is going from upper side, means in positive direction, and this is P total. So this is the graph for not ideal solution showing positive deviation. And for negative deviation, this graph will go from negative direction, from lower side. This is the graph, and also this graph will go like that. This is PB, this is PA, and this is P total. So these are the graph for solution showing positive and negative deviation from Raoult's law.